There is one other database you can use to find articles with Lexile reading scores. If we go back to our database page here and click on the letter M, the first database listed is Mass Complete. Let's go ahead and click on that one. Unlike Explorer, Mass Complete goes directly to your search page. In your search options, you want to go to Limit Your Results and find the Lexile Reading level. Now here, the Lexile Reading level is 850 or more and has shorter ranges. So before you click on your search, click on the reading level that you want to have and type in your search. In this case, we will do child care again. Now both Explorer and Mass Complete are both EBSCO-based EBSCO-host databases, except they have different collections and materials. So we have our articles here from You've Got This Mama to different primary sources. And just like Explorer, the Mass Complete will read the article. So as a reminder, HTML full text are the documents you want to be read to you. Again, you have the listen bar up here at the top of the article, and you want to make sure your settings are set to however you want. Text highlighting, word sentence, sentence only, word only, or no highlighting. We'll click on word only, and we'll also include the enhanced text visibility and the reading speed to slow. Close.
From the Lone Ranger to Power Rangers. The world is different. Delivered before the Columbus Rotary, Columbus.